let me see. Let me see if I can just pull up my computer specs. How do I do that? Let's go to this PC, right click, properties. So these are my specs for this current machine. And I got to tell you, I just bought a new computer. It's going to be done at the end of this week. And we've got a 20 RTX 2080 Ti, so I just went for it. Got the best of the best. But these are the specs I'm on right now. I do have a 64 gigs of RAM in the new machine. And check out this page. This is pretty cool. If you go to your web browser and type in, let me see if I can just do Brightman, my rig. We made a page specifically for this. So whenever you're curious what machine I'm running, this is my desktop computer. These are all of the specs. And then this is the laptop. This one might be just a little bit out of date, but we'll get all these updated because I am getting a new machine and just kind of keep you informed on what I'm running. So if you just do a Google search for Brightman, my rig, you can see what I've got going on. So yeah, this machine has a 1080 Ti and 32 gigs of RAM. When you're selecting a new machine, the processor is always good, spend money there, but don't go nuts. It's all about the graphics card. And to pick a graphics card, you got to go to videocardbenchmark.net and take a look at the high-end cards. And then you can see that like the 2080 Ti, that's way up there and it's at a reasonable price. All right. So like the Titan RTX 2500, like I'll take the 1100 and get a little more performance. Or you might say, look at the bargain, 2080 is only 680. So that's pretty cool. And I can tell you that I did also buy a 2070 to upgrade another one of our machines. And I don't know. I mean, I guess I could have gone for the 2080, but it was getting a little bit spendy on everything. So anyway, those are my specs. That's how you find what we're running at any given time. All right.